What's up, guys? Here's another unboxing review. This time I got a car doorstep for my truck. So I'm gonna open it now. I got this offline. So first we have the manual. It's not even hard to I guess to interpret. It seems like it's pretty easy. Rear, front, blah blah blah. Open the car door, buckle the door. So I don't think it's really hard to use or explain. But specs: 9 by 29, 7 inches. Open, folded, 4.3. So the weight bearing is about 400 pounds. So that's pretty interesting to know. And it's supposed to be wide enough where you can put 2 feet on the step here. So let's go have a look at this. So it's actually pretty hefty. So it's not like one of those really thin ones you see online. It's actually, it has some weight to it. So I'm guessing this goes here, locks on, and this one here actually goes against the what do you call that side part of the door, and I actually feel it's pretty heavy. So online I get it roughly about $22. I'm gonna put the link below. So we're gonna have a look at it at the truck when I install it. So basically it's meant to come off and on. Alright guys, so we are gonna take a look at the side step and see how it works on the car or truck, whatever vehicle you have. So I don't know if you can see this well, but you notice how there's a different shape inside here. Kind of goes hook upwards and kind of goes down. Well, let's see if we get a better look. So what happens is, depending on the shape of your door side, some of them kind of angle up this way, downwards, and other ones like somewhat like mine is kind of like vertical. So when you hang your step on it, you can see how much what degree this can hook onto. So for example, mine is pretty much vertical. I can adjust it, say for example like this. If you have a vehicle that's slanted more this way, this angle would kind of help out because it'll be like this, right? But since my truck is more vertical, I have to adjust it upwards and kind of go to the upper hook. So now it's more vertical. I mean, yeah, it's more horizontal. So let me get a better look for you so you can see at a different angle. So this is how it looks. And so far, this looks pretty good and hefty. Because just the way it is, it's really thick. This one here has a rubber, I don't know what you call this. But anyway, it's supposed to help, in my mind, to reduce wear and tear on the side of your vehicle. So it doesn't seem to have any effect on it. In fact, it kind of helps. It doesn't move around as much as if this was more like plastic. It's more like a rubbery feel to it. So I'm going to go step on it and see how it looks and feels. But just to let you know in reference though, I have the side step, Nerf bar, and then from here to here, it's almost about maybe 2.5 feet. So my truck has a little height on it. And let's see. So depending how wide your feet is, I mean, you can hold it from almost up to here. So I have like medium-sized feet, and it's not that wide. So I can put 2 feet on this, but if you're maybe 6 foot tall and have a 12-foot size shoe, maybe you'll be able to put maybe 1 and a half, like part of your foot, but it all really all depends on you. So let me see how it feels again. So you also have to remember this part of the door, so it won't be able to go all the way across. So. All right, so this is actually pretty good. It folds up and I can just stash it within my truck. So all I do is just have to unhinge it like this and just close it up. Now I could just, most likely I could just put this underneath my seat or something. All right, let's take a look at the pictures.